I'm Sargam, and this is a traditional French press. It's been the best way to make coffee for a really long time. Even though this makes amazing coffee, it has its challenges. One of the biggest problems with French press is cleanup, which is also why most people don't use it. To solve the challenges of a traditional French press, I applied my engineering and physics background to develop the Rite Press. With the Rite Press, when you press down on the plunger, it forces the grounds to our patented removable bottom chamber. It's a simple twist off. This makes cleanup really easy. The Rite Press has other great tools built in to ensure a consistent brewing ritual. Water temperature is one of the most important factors in brewing great coffee. That's why we built a thermometer right here in the lid. Take it out and put it into your water before you mix in your coffee. Blue is too cold, red is too hot, and green is perfect. Timing is another critical part of the brewing process. We've built an hourglass into the Rite Press, set for the exact amount of time coffee should brew. When the hourglass is finished, it's time to plunge your perfect cup. The whole process is simple, which is what your morning ritual should be. The Rite Press comes in stainless steel and matte black. It also comes in a half-liter option. Please consider adding the Rite Press to your morning ritual by supporting this campaign, because the most important part of your day deserves to be perfected.